Hello everybody, it's me Scooter. As you can see, we're making a bunch of videos today. Might as well, we don't have nothing else to do. But we are going to take both these apart and we're going to assemble them and we're going to show you what they look like because we're going to put them on our table. We just got to get rid of the boxes. So the first one we're going to do, I guess we're going to do this one first. And this is one that I got from, I can't remember who I got this one from. I think I got this one from HSN. They have a payment plan. I know there's no way in hell that they're going to hang these on the walls. So, they give you these right here. They're made for, you can hang them on a door, hang them on a wall, mounts. That's what's in here. I don't see that happening at all. These are the wall door mounts right here. That they give you, but I'm pretty sure they're not going to do that. And then here's your power supply. Here's the screws that they give you so that you can put it in the wall. But like I said, I don't see them doing that. Put that right there. We can burn that up pretty sure. Feels like there's, no, that's just a very big piece of cardboard. We'll burn that later. Now, we're going to go and we're going to pull this one out. Okay. This is the Defender one right here. Hold on, y'all. This is the Defender, and we're gonna see how this thing comes off. Let's see here. This is the Defender one. I will attempt to plug it in. Just give me a minute. It's got the, there we go. Look y'all, I'm holding it. It feels like it's like 40 to 50 pounds. Okay. There it is. Hang on a minute. I gotta get those. Okay. These are the legs that go with it. You put them on the side, and that's what we're gonna do. Give me a minute. I gotta throw all this. Trash. My room's starting to look like an arcade, y'all. And like I said, we're not gonna mount these to the wall. I know that. that is not even going to remotely happen. So what we're going to do is, as you see, we got, hold on. I got a text message. Oh, I didn't realize you went to Walmart to get an arcade game. Well, no, that's right. You did mention arcade. I didn't even know Walmart carried that sort of item. Did you have to go online? Hold on, y'all. This is Ginger. Nope. I walked in and bought it. But yeah, y'all, if you want to get one of these, you can go online. You pull from the very bottom, y'all. And then you work way up, and you do it very slow like. There, it comes with a piece of plastic on there. It's already got a piece of plastic on it. Like I said, we got this one because, well, we got it. Thinking, okay, we'll get this, and then we can play Rampage and all those games on it. But then we find out later that, well, we screwed up somewhat, and it Mortal Kombat had Paperboy. I used to remember Paperboy on Nintendo, y'all. That was a fun game. You could whack people with a newspaper. Okay. And it's even got a USB plug-in right here for your controller. So if you don't want to use these, guess what? You don't have to. You got 2 players, you got 1 player, you got 2 players, you got thrust, smart bombs, you got all that right there. So now what we're gonna do is, I apologize, y'all, the TV's in the background. I haven't had time to take it. That's the TV that I'm gonna give to my at-work wife and friend, Allison Morox. Hang on, y'all. Okay, y'all, that's Ginger. She, I don't know, but yeah, y'all. This is a Midway Defender, and it has 8 games on it. It's got 2 speakers. It's got a USB plug in here. It's got a headphone here. So let's say it's really late at night, and you want to play the arcade, but you don't want to disturb people in the house. You just plug your headphones in right there, and you're good. If you don't like the controller, joysticks and stuff, you can play with your PlayStation, anything that plugs, any controller that plug in to a USB port. That means PlayStation 3, 4, and 5 should work with this, and some Xbox controllers. I don't really like Xbox, so I don't really care. I don't too much follow them, but I'm sure. But any controller that plugs into a USB port will work on this console. And this is the Defender. Now, we have to go and we got to put the legs on. And the legs go into those 2 screws right there. You just undo those 2 screws and you can just put them on. So that's what we're going to do right now. And what what you do is, I'm watching South Park, and they are talking about how Maury makes fun of freaks. So yeah, and they just go on like so, right there. You screw them on, and that's what we're gonna do. So yeah. And we're gonna do that real quick. Like I said, y'all, we're just trying to make content. We're trying to show you what your options are. Like if you can afford one of these big ones, y'all, I promise you, you can go and you can order one of these and you're good. You just turn like that. And yes, we're gonna power them on. Yes, sir. We are gonna power them on. Just let me get this done real quick, and then we'll power it on. For that right there, because y'all, I'm gonna pause the video. We're gonna put these legs on, and then we're gonna come right back. Okay. Okay, bye. We're back. We got the legs on. Now, you're probably thinking, Scooter, what are you going to do with all this other stuff you got? Well, we don't know yet. But what we're going to do now is, this is the Defender game. This is our charging cord right here. I'm just going to plug it in and see if it works. And then if it does, we'll just leave it up on the table. Okay, like I said, I don't know where we're going to plug this damn thing in at, because I think I don't know if this thing will reach. Trying to get this damn thing entangled. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, we've about got the power cord done. There we go. Now, we got the power cord here. Turn it around. And there's another power cord right here. It's taped in. You can untape it, but I'm just going to leave it taped in for the time being. Okay, we're going to turn it around. Now, we got to unplug something to plug this in with. This is going to be horrible. Because I know I don't think it will fit. Reach all the way back there. Let me see if it will or not. Nope, it ain't going to fit, so we're going to have to come back here. I don't know what this goes to. We're about to unplug something. I don't have no clue what it goes to. Put that right there. Okay, y'all. We are about to power this thing on. Okay, and then we're going to put it up here on top of the table. Okay, and here we go. We're powering on. Look, y'all. That thing is lighting up. Look at that. Hold on, let me turn my light off. I owe like $175 more on this, but okay, this is the one we got, right? Because, like, Gauntlet, we got that on the Pac-Man. Defender, we don't have that one, but KLAX collects, and then we got this because it has Rampage. You got Joust, Bubbles, Root Beer Trapper, Gore, Sinister, Wizard of Wars, and that is it. But look, y'all, this thing is lighting up and it is beautiful. And look, it's nice. But everybody, we're gonna look. Let me turn up the volume. The volume goes up to 15, and it's the same screen as that one over there in the Mortal Kombat. So this is a nice one, y'all, and it's got the light up marquee. It's got this. I think they're gonna enjoy it. Whoever I give it to. But y'all, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn it off. It does work. So let me run over here. Turn my light on. What we're doing is, y'all, we're making room because I cannot stand not having no damn room to get to where I need to go. We are gonna hang on to all this stuff, like all the bars that came with it, and the screws. We're gonna take all these and we'll put them underneath my bed for the time being. Now, everybody, I got to unplug this one, and I gotta put it up here somewhere. So that's what we're going to do. If you're wondering where our NBA Jam is, it's over here beside the beside my TV. So, oopsie. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick this thing up. It's not too heavy, y'all, so don't worry. And we're going to put it right here. Oh crap, I forgot to peel that one off. It's the one that's on the joystick, on the cover. Okay. Okay. So I apologize, y'all. I gotta put the cord back here. Let me plug it in. Okay, put it right there. Now, we got another one right here from arcade1up. And this one is paid off. The only one we're paying on is that NBA Jams one. And I'm gonna pay like $170 more on that. I'm gonna pay that off Monday. And that's the 40th anniversary one, y'all. Okay, now you got the box. The instructions that nobody ever reads. Okay, we're going to take this. We're going to take all this out because they're not going to use this. This is our power cord, so we're going to just leave that out. We're going to put all that right there underneath my bed because we're not going to need it anyway. We're going to take this out like so. Okay. Trying to get it out, y'all. It's been a little bit of a pain. There's two holes that's in it. You just grab it up like that and straight down. Now, some of you might remember this game. Some of you might not have a clue what it is. Hold on, I gotta look in here with the legs. Okay. Whew. Okay, y'all, these are the legs. We're gonna pause. We're gonna go to a commercial break. When we get back, the legs will be on, and we'll plug in, let you see what you think. Hello, everybody. We're back. As you can see, we got the hold on, y'all. We got the centipede. We got the legs on. I'm sorry, y'all. Ginger keeps keeps messaging me. She's a friend of mine. She doesn't know I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, I just sent her a picture of the NBA Jams ones. We got Pac-Man, Mortal Kombat, we got Space Jams, we got the Defender, and we got Centipede. And Centipede is paid off, by the way. I don't owe nothing. The only thing I owe money on is that Defender, which is $175, and I'll pay that off in no time. I'll pay that off. Matter of fact, this Monday. I'm gonna get that paid off so that way I can get that NBA Jams game paid off. It ain't that much, and but yeah, we're about to we ran the power cord. I don't know if the marquee lights up. It don't feel like it does. It might be wood, so it might not light up. I don't think it does, but it does look good. I've never played Mortal Kombat any version, but I love some Pac-Man. Sure, you can come over and play Pac-Man Friday. Hold on, y'all. I just got a comment from somebody. I'm going to read it on this video. This is awesome, Scooter. He must be talking about... I got 7 notifications. Awesome, Scooter. I like the mini arcade. I love NBA Jams. Great video, Scooter. That's also Marco Jefferson. Matt with the Polony area. Go and check out y'all his... go and check out these guys' YouTube channels, y'all. I mean, they post stuff, and yes, we're not doing the races today. We're taking a break to get these things out of the box. That way I can have room to stand, and when we get done doing this, we're going to take the boxes outside and we're going to burn them. The TV, I'm going to put that over there for the time being. I'll take it to Allison's house Thursday when I get off. My at-work wife. Pretty much Allison Maury is my at-work wife, but we're also friends. We just don't have sex. I don't like having sex with co-workers because none of the co-workers I know could handle having sex with me. No woman can handle having sex with me. I like having sex 6 times a day. It's hard to find a woman that wants to have sex 6 times a day. But anyway. Thank you everybody for leaving your comments on our videos. We do appreciate it when you leave a comment on our video. But back to the centipede. Yes, the centipede, the marquee does not light up. It's wood, but it's nice. And we're going to plug it in and we're going to see what it does. So we're going to go over here. And we're going to plug it in. Okay, y'all, and we're gonna turn it on. Here goes nothing. Like I said, the marquees, I wish it would light up, but it doesn't. They all can't be winners, y'all. I'm sure you could order a marquee that lights up for it. But I don't know if they had the plugs, but I'm sure they do. So if you want to light up one, I'm sure Arcade1 would send you one. Okay. This is all the games it's got on it. You can't read it, so I'm going to read it to you the best I can. You got Centipede. You got the Atari Millipede, Missile Command, Liberation. I can't make that one out, but the games are down here. Centipede, Liberation, Atari Millipede, Missile Command, Avalanche. I can't make that one out. Super Breakout and AKA Akiri. But as you can see, y'all, it works. It's an awesome looking thing. Like I said, y'all, these things are the for shizzle. They're really nice. You get, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 games right there. And then there's 8. I'm not sure how many. I think there's 8 on that. So there's 8, 16, 12, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 games. We have 41 games, y'all, in these units. Now this one, I'm not keeping it. Okay, I'm not keeping it. I'm getting rid of it. It ain't for me. I don't care if the marquee lights up or not. It's not going home. It's a Christmas present. It's going bye-bye. I'm not saying who's going to get it, but it's going bye-bye. And I don't care about this one. The Defender is also going bye-bye because all the games on the Defender, the only reason why I got that Defender, because it had Rampage on it. That one over there has Rampage and all the other games that I like. So, yeah, we're going to get rid of that one too. Because Street Fighter is our next game we are going to get. Street Fighter, we're just waiting for the price to fall so that we can get it. Because I'm not paying $478 for a Street Fighter 2 game. Legacy, I'm not doing it. But yeah, everybody, we hope that you enjoyed this Arcade1 video of us reviewing these. Like I said, we got Pac-Man, Mortal Kombat, NBA Jams, Centipede, that's a Christmas present, and the Defender's a Christmas present too. So they're all going. All I did was just sit there and I used the ball. The ball is nice and smooth. And yeah, it's just like the game, y'all. You got the fire button here. You move the ball here. You can do 1 and 2 players. It does not have a USB port. It does not have one, and it does not have the headphones. So I'm trying to, but it does. It only has one speaker right there. But I turned it up to 15. But y'all, this is going to make somebody a wonderful president. And on that bombshell, everybody, we hope you've been enjoying these videos. Like I said, tomorrow, when we get in, we're going to do some more jumping. First round jumping. We sure are. And on that bombshell, we're going to put this one on the table. We're going to turn it long ways, so that way they're not in our way when we try to do the racing. And on that bombshell, y'all, good night.